Namaste, sir.
Namaskar, sir.
On behalf of Krishnu Academy, I am proud to introduce very good friend of mine, Mr. Deepak R. Khemani from Bombay, Mumbai.
It
Sir,
is my extreme honor and pleasure to just be talking with you one-on-one. Thank you so much, Rameshji, for inviting.
he is a financial coach and TEDx speaker, 35 years experience in personal finance industry. And he, as I told you, is from Mumbai. His specialization is financial planning, mutual fund selling, and insurance. And he had uploaded more than, please hear properly, my dear friends, he has uploaded more than, again I'm repeating, he has uploaded more than 350 videos.
It is now
350.
397 as of yesterday.
See, record is growing, so you can't beat him now. Get ready to beat him faster. 397 videos on various personal financial topics. Various topics he has taken up. Like it's a 2 minutes video. Always he is specialized in 2 minutes video, because now it is a fast world. Nobody want to see the video for 30 minutes. Just jump and see for 2 minutes and get fully charged. Even your mobile nowadays, even the mobile people want to charge the mobile within 2 minutes. They don't want 20
Half an
minutes.
hour. Yes.
Faster.
Yes.
So
Yes.
same way, his 2 minutes videos are very popular. And one more important thing is, very important thing, is a life member of MDRT USA in insurance. That is the best thing. And he is a chairman club member, LIC of India, again life member there. Say, okay, all this is okay. Speaker, he has spoken. Where all he has spoken, sir? Sir, he's a TEDx speaker. One. He's a MFRT speaker. IFA, IFPA, Chennai Association speaker. IFA Galaxy speaker. Earth Mitra, Gurukulam speaker, and many more. Many more. I can talk for 30 minutes where all he has spoken. I don't want to waste everybody's time. And also, he is an author of a lovely book called Compounding. Is an eighth wonder. Very book, very good book. Amazing book. See, everybody should read that book. Fantastic book. It's available on Amazon, right, sir?
Yes.
Very good book. And now, sir, after the introduction, I would like to start with small questions, sir. Interviews, not big, as we have. Sir, how do you spend your time wisely? I underline wisely at the time of this COVID-19 social distancing time. How do you spend time? What do you do at home right now?
So thank you very much, Sir Rameshji, for calling me, inviting me, and allowing me to be a part of your channel. It is an extreme honor and a pleasure to be here. So, starting with the question where you asked me, how do you spend your time? Now, somehow, let me take you back 2 months back when this COVID was just being discussed, there was no lockdown. During that time, if anyone of us was asked about doing anything, joining here, meeting there, the only answer was, I don't have time. I can't take out time. I'm busy. You're busy meeting clients. You're busy filling up forms. You're busy getting the forms deposited, attending conferences, meetings. In fact, we didn't even have time for our near and dear ones for whom we actually work and do this profession and business, right? Luckily, and I'm saying luckily, nature has given us this time out. This time to be at home with our loved ones. These are actually, see, we call them loved ones, but these are the people whom we actually ignore the most. When we are busy in our work, if our child comes and tells, play with me, you'll tell him, no, I'm busy, go and do something else, go and play with your friend. From the last, I think 10 or 15 days, every night in the night, half an hour before we go to sleep, me, my daughter and my son. My daughter is 22, my son is 12. We all play games of Ludo and snakes and ladders every night before we go to sleep. Now, this takes me back, 40, 45 years when we were 8, 10, 12 years ago when we used to play Ludo. At that time, it was physical. Now it is electronic. but just the joy of spending time playing a game in which your child feels happy is limitless. You cannot describe it in words. So the question you asked me, how am I using my time wisely? One, spending time more with the family. Second, this is the time to be upskilling yourself. After this economy gets opened up, when COVID is finally gone, COVID will finally go probably 6 months, 1 year, 2 years later, we don't know. But we all know that there are some jobs, businesses, professions, which will no longer be in demand, which will no longer survive, which will no longer exist. What we all need to do and understand is, am I part of that business? Is that one of my jobs or my profession? Hospitality, aviation, hotels, restaurants, holidays, trips, cruises, travel agents, all of these people will, for the foreseeable future, not making a lot of money. Luckily, and I say luckily, thank God, touch wood, we are in a profession where even sitting at home, our clients' SIP is hitting the bank. Most of our AUMs are still there. There are redemptions, but most of our AUMs are still there. And without actually doing anything, we are getting trail commissions from all our mutual fund investments of our clients. How can is there a better profession than this anywhere? One, in which you guide, help your clients to become wealthier, achieve financial freedom, and in the process, you also achieve financial freedom and earn the goodwill of your client. So should we stop only at selling mutual funds? I think this is a big mistake a lot of people are doing. You speak to some mutual fund people and they tell you, "Tum to insurance bechta hai. Why are you selling insurance?" That is mis-selling. No. I have a client who's happy with 5.5% to 6.5% tax-free returns over 20 years. Why am I insisting and telling him, no, invest in this mutual fund which will give you 15, 12% return? First of all, I cannot assure those 15 and 12% return. Second, he is not able to handle volatility. Don't mis-sell, but have the capacity to sell to your client what he needs. If I go into a supermarket today, and if that supermarket says, I sell only potatoes, if you eat tomatoes that are bad for your health, I'll tell him that is none of your problem. I've come here to shop potatoes, tomatoes, bhaji, vegetables. Give me what I want. Which also means there are a lot of people who work in niches. They say, I do only this. I have no problem with that. I'm saying, why cannot we be a supermarket? Everybody cannot be a boutique. So in these times, especially now, life insurance and health insurance is the need of the hour. Every day, there are at least 5 to 10 inquiries from existing clients and maybe even new clients asking this one simple question. Is COVID covered? Luckily, the regulator has seen to it that COVID is covered. If you have already given a health insurance policy, a life insurance policy to your client, now he can sleep well, knowing fully well, tomorrow something happens to me, he is covered. Take goodwill of your clients. Be there for them when they are needed. Now, because of shutdown, stay at home, work from home, you obviously can't go out and meet. How are things in Tamil Nadu? Are you moving out? No. So we are also stuck at home.
No, sir. Exactly. Only you can see, even in this IPL or here, Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians are always locked down. We are only toppers. What to do? Cricket also like that. See, Bangalore is away. Only Chennai Super King and Mumbai Indians in final.
Mumbai Indians are locked down. Yeah. The other thing being, I think it is very important for all of us to be socially visible, digitally visible. It is very important for all of us to have a digital footprint. What do I mean by a digital footprint? Many of us have been in this industry 5, 8, 10, 15, 20 years. We've gathered a lot of experience, and due to that experience, a lot of clients of ours have benefited. But there are thousands and thousands and even lakhs of clients outside over there who have no idea that you exist. If you have some quality, some expertise, why not announce it to the world? Why not write a blog post? One post every day, one post every week, two posts a week. Why not make a small video, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you are comfortable, on a topic on which you deeply care about? And it need not necessarily be on finance or personal finance. You can actually be an financial advisor, but your expertise could also be something else. You could be a yoga practitioner, you could be a healer, you could be a teacher, you could be a coach, you could be an expert in mathematics who can help out children sitting at home, do maths homework today at home. Whatever your niche is, make a small video, put it on social media, put it on Facebook, start your YouTube channel, and just circulate it amongst your friends, near and dear ones, family. You will find that out of 100 clients, there will be probably 2, maybe even 3 people who will actually say, yes, this is what I needed. I never knew that you knew this. You could help me with this. You're creating a niche and possibly going ahead, real far ahead, not few months, maybe not even a year or so, but slowly down the line, you are making provisions for an alternate source of income. If you blog regularly, if you have a blog, nowadays you can have a website, a blog site for free. If you are writing something which people are regularly reading, there will be time when you will start making money. And there are bloggers and vloggers who are making serious money. Of course, I haven't yet reached there, but this is something which we are trying. And as we know, we tell all our clients, compounding takes time. Compounding, we have to keep on doing something. So why not try out new things? So 15 days back, our friend Shiva from Hyderabad, Shiva Prasad Konduru, he gave me a call and said, Deepak, nowadays podcasting is the thing. Why don't you try your hand at podcasting? You are making videos also. You are a good speaker. You have a good voice. Why don't you podcast? Somewhere in the one corner, there was already something which had said in my mind, let's start a podcast. It was this phone call of his which made me say, okay, let's do it. Picked up the phone. There are free apps where you can set up your podcast. Registered, entered. Luckily, I had a recording of mine about compounding itself, which had happened before the book. Put it on the podcast. And in half an hour of his calling me up, my first podcast was on air. It doesn't take a lot of time, in half an hour on your mobile phone. We fail to realize what power this thing holds in our hands. This is not only a calling machine, a texting machine, a WhatsApping machine. You can do many, many more things with it. As soon as I sent him the link, I told him this is my first podcast. He was so very happy and he called me up. Deepak, there are people whom you give advice, you give ideas, but there are very few action takers. I'm not boasting, but I'm saying, since you have the time, try out things which you haven't done before. God knows where something will strike and where you will get clients, where you will be able to monetize. Finally, you are creating a digital footprint for yourself.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. Thank you. So even podcast also possible apart from YouTube, and blogging also possible. Fantastic.
Yes.
Sir,
yes.
Your 2 minutes video is very popular. What made you think I should create a 2 minutes video?
This is actually a very good question. So sometime last year in February, I was attending a course from some mentor who was telling us how to do things, how to get coaching, get trainers, how to become trainers, become coaches in your respective field. And he said it was a 3-day program, and one part of the program was at the end of day 1, you had to record on your mobile a 2-minute clip saying that I have attended this trainer's course and today's takeaways is A, B, and C. This is what he told us to do. So all those 20-30 people who were there in that class made these videos and uploaded them on LinkedIn. Then second day also it happened, make up this video and share your learning. So in 3 days, we made 3 videos and in 3 videos, we explained what we learned in that 3-day course. There was also a prize for the best video. So luckily, I am habituated to winning prizes. My video was selected as the best video. When I reached home in the evening, I thought that I am making a video for somebody and I am actually popularizing him. Why shouldn't I make a video to popularize myself? There are so many things which I know, which if I share with people, it will help change their lives. And there is no monetary interest for me. So if I am making a video and somebody in Assam or somebody in New Delhi or somebody in some corner of Tamil Nadu is watching it, and he becomes a better investor, he becomes a better advisor, it will help them. So I gave myself this target. If I can do it in 3 days for somebody else, why can't I do it for myself? And internally, I gave myself a target that I will do 1 2-minute video every day for the next 365 days. It was a goal that I have to do it. Amongst those 365 days, there were times when throughout the day, most of us are very busy. And you forgot today's video hasn't been made. I reached home at 9:30 in the night to have dinner. I told my wife, wait, let me do my video first. Recorded a 2-minute video and uploaded it at 10 o'clock in the night on YouTube. Luckily, I'm telling you again, we fail to understand the power of this device in our hand.
No, here I will interrupt here. See, I used to think suddenly 9 and 9:30, I'm about to sleep, I get one pop-up. Deepak Kemani has uploaded video. I used to think what this man is doing even at 9:30.
So because it was that target that I have to make that video today, and there is this goal of mine which I cannot break. It's a rule, you have to follow it. So even at 10:30 in the night, if I have to upload a video, I will upload it because it is a target which I have given to myself. So out of those 365 videos, I think 8 or 10 are those who were uploaded late in the night.
Here I will give you one secret, sir. Here I will give you one secret. I will share the secret. What in Krishna Academy, what I do is daily one video till the lockdown is over. Daily one video we upload it, but I have uploaded the video till coming Tuesday. That is, we will schedule and keep it. Every day morning, 5:30, the video is out. So if somebody visits my channel at 5:30, the video is ready for them to watch. So we have maintained the time.
Excellent.
Now the timing is required for you now.
Yeah. So as you said, when you have a team, when there are people who have been assigned a few jobs, they manage those things. For whatever reason, ever since we grew up and became independent, we are those one man, who knows it all, does it all, one man show where you learn this also, learn this also, do this also, do this also, and do this also. Even till today, my video is shot by myself. It is edited by myself. It is uploaded by me only, and all you see is all my effort.
Sir, same here in Krishna Academy. Same here in Krishna Academy.
Yeah. So what I can say is there is one more thing. And whatever be your age, you may be 20, 25, 45, I am 53. That urge, that drive should always be there inside you. One, to become better. Second, to learn new things. And not only learn those things, learn yourself. So that for whatever reason, just like in the lockdown, you can't go to office. You can't meet someone. If you had given this thing to yourself, you could actually sit at home, do this video and upload it without depending on anybody else. Like you are doing it. Even in the lockdown, you have uploaded so many videos, not that you have also scheduled them. That up to this day, all these videos are ready and they are going to go out. So that was the journey. That is how I started, because I thought if I can do it for somebody else, why can't I do it for me, for my people, my investors, my friends?
How do you record these videos, sir? Is it through your, do you have a special camera for that? Or as you said, only mobile, or any other device you use, upload and editing? What is the software you use? Or this, because people who are, there are young YouTubers coming soon from our mutual fund distributor end. So how do you edit? Because once you do some small mistakes, editing is to be done. How do you edit?
Yes, very good. Extremely good question. And I can also say that I also did not know this, and I spoke to 1 or 2 people who were actually doing it. The best part is, today if you ask somebody, people are ready. It's not that they know something and they will hide it. So very beginning, when I started, in the very beginning, it was, if you see my very first video on my channel, I would now say it is atrocious. It is not good, because what I did, I stood in front of my mobile like this, the hand is shaking, my voice is not clear. But just because that urge was there, that drive was there, no, I want to make that video. I made it. And that is how it was. Really,
Sir,
really, really bad.
always one thing, sir. Blunders make wonders.
Yes,
You might have
yes,
initially made blunders. That's why you are
yes.
making wonders now.
Exactly. That is where compounding happens. That is where
Yes.
compounding works. So I have also been to a different many of these different classes where people teach how to do YouTube videos, how to become better. There are professionals who connect with me saying, Deepak, today's video you have put, there is this mistake. Why don't you edit this and make this better? So there are so many good people, good friends who do this. So so initially I started like this, just keeping my hand in front of the video. It was shaking. Then somebody said, no, keep it on a desk, keep it on a book, keep it in front of your laptop, press this button. So over a period of time, the videos evolved. Nowadays, the best part is that most mobile phones have got excellently good cameras. Because if you buy a phone which is 10, 12, 15,000 rupees, be sure that the camera quality is excellent. So you really do not need to invest in a high quality digital camera costing 30, 40,000 rupees. No, you don't. What you need is this, which I also did not have up to the last 2 or 3 months. Get a tripod.
Okay.
Get a tripod.
Fix your camera. Still. So
Fix
no
your
shaking.
camera. Sit in. No shaking. All adjustments are there. You can lower it. You can change the angle. You can make it front, back, everything. Sit in front of it. Have a clean background, white, pink, yellow, any wall in your house, your office. Press a button. Start speaking into the camera. That is all you need to do. Once your video is done. So I have purposely kept my videos, and the name of the show is also called the 2-Minute Money and Personal Finance Show. The idea was, as you also said, the attention span of people nowadays is very small. Nobody wants to listen to 5, 10, 15-minute videos. The challenge was, whatever topic you have taken, how do you condense it into 2 minutes so that the message goes out? I can't say this is a 10-minute video topic and I'm going to do 5 2-minute videos, watch part 1 today, part 2 today. No, I have to give you the gist of what I'm trying to say. So for all those people who are listening, I want you to go to my YouTube channel whenever you watch this. There was a video which I uploaded yesterday on the 21st.
Sir, tell your
And
channel
it is about
name also, sir. Tell your channel's name so let people know it.
my channel name, Deepak R. Khemani. You have to search for my name and it's there, Deepak R. Khemani. Okay. So yesterday I have put up a 2-minute video about behavioral finance, and I'm talking about attention bias. Now, in 2 minutes, I have tried to explain to the viewer what attention bias is. What happens when this bias is there in our mind, how it affects our investment, and why we should avoid it. And I put this video out on YouTube, on LinkedIn, a few of my friends. There are some friends who have never heard of it, never seen it. I told them, listen to this video, and do you feel that I have done justice to the topic in 2 minutes? Most of them said yes. So that is where that idea came, that if I can condense a difficult, a complicated topic in 2 minutes, make the person understand. And this person is not an IFA. He's not somebody who understands finance. This is a client. This is a customer. Can I make it easy for him? So that was the purpose. Finally, I can give you this for all those who don't know. If you can see, can you read this?
No, it's
I'm not too sure. Okay, so I will spell it out. There is an app called InShot, INSHOT.
okay.
INSHOT, InShot.
Okay.
This is the most simplest and best app to edit your videos. Download this app. This app gives you an option to, 1, pull the video from your camera, from your gallery, cut it. So if there was something where you got stuck or you said something wrong, you can simply splice and take it out. You can add borders. You can add titles.
Okay.
You can make, there is inbuilt audio clips inside music. You can add background music. You can add a background, just like you have this background behind you, Krishna Academy. You can actually have a title, a background there, and you can, after doing all these special effects, tell it to save. It gives you multiple options of saving. You can save it as a small file, limited resolution, medium resolution, high resolution. Obviously, higher the resolution, higher the size. Upload it on Facebook, upload it on YouTube, upload it on LinkedIn. I just want to give one more tip to everybody who is listening over here. A lot of us are there on Facebook, but the days of Facebook as a platform, social media is gone. It is now more of either uploading pics of families moving around or Facebook advertising, which is happening. I would urge each and everybody who is listening to this, please be visible on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the place for professionals, all professionals, not only finance professionals. If you are not already on LinkedIn, create a profile on LinkedIn. Start giving out this value, your YouTube video which you are throwing out. Make a small blog post, write it on LinkedIn. Slowly and surely and steadily, you will start making contacts on LinkedIn, people who are professionals. These people may or may not give you value immediately, but in the long term, it is said that, you are an average of the 5 people you associate with. Your network is your network. Build your network. If you are looking for building in your professional network, I would advise everybody listening to this program to go on LinkedIn.
Fantastic, sir. And your video uploading, see, you have uploaded so many videos, 390 plus videos you have uploaded. Did you get your clientele increased? Because normally first 50 videos, you may not get anybody. Maybe till 100 videos, no. But there will be automatically followers will start once you reach 150 videos, 200 videos, like that. Now, did your clientele increase, or at least somebody called you and, sir, I've seen your video, beautiful. This is what I would like to hear from you. Did anyone has taken a financial, that is guidance from you?
Yeah, so extremely good question. And very rightly you said, your initial first 10, 50 videos, maybe even 100 videos will get you nowhere.
Okay.
Some videos will get 2 views, 5 views, 10 views. At the most, if you are circulating these videos in your WhatsApp group, your family and friends, they will also, without watching, just go and like and they will go and subscribe. So the initial part, there won't be a lot of traction. However, social media, by very nature, Google, you know that Google owns YouTube. The fact that you are throwing out content on YouTube, there will come a point when Google will understand that this channel is having a lot of content. You don't need to market your channel. Google will now start promoting your channel, your videos. They will be start doing what we are supposed to be doing. That is when traction is gained. So I can confess that up to even 200, 250 videos, there was no real connection. However, now people are calling. They want to know more. So there are some videos about health insurance where people are asking me, I put up this claim, it has got rejected. What should I do? Can you help me with this? In financial planning, people will say, I would like to know more. I can, in front of everybody, say, I haven't yet made a single rupee out of my YouTube channel. But connections are building. I have 1,000 subscribers plus. And every day new subscribers are coming without me now promoting my channel. Previously, what I used to do, every video which I used to make, I used to share in WhatsApp groups, on Facebook, on different groups. Now I do it for few videos. I don't do it for all, but the traction is now happening automatically.
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic. On this day, 30 minutes of yours, we have gained much knowledge from your end, especially a 2-minute video specialist. We have got a lot of inputs, especially that in short. I will, because I'm also struggling to edit the video because I'm not a professional. We have a video professional here. So everything, as you rightly said, it's a one-man job here. Maybe financial planning or mutual fund selling, we have a team. But for this, nobody is interested. Only Ramesh Bhatt is interested. So Ramesh, fix up the appointment with the person. What are all the questions? Whom to go? All these things. But only editing part I was struggling. Now from today, I have learned something good from you. Thanks to you. In short, is this thing. I will download that. I will start using that. Thank you very much for spending wise 30 minutes with us on this lockdown day. And God bless you and wish to your our wishes to your family.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Rameshji. I reciprocate all the best wishes to you, your family, everybody in Chennai, people in IFA Galaxy, in IFA, Fantastic job all of you are doing. All of you are professionals. All of you are givers. All of you are doing this to help everybody else. I'm so happy just to be in contact with you all. Thank you so much.